I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air, and Neverland just float there. And as I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alight the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're right upon me. Wait, if I'm on fire, how am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so loud. I've been having dreams, splashing in a summer stream, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen. Body turns to ice, crushing weight of paradise. Solid block of gold, lying in the cold. I feel right.